Cricket meets football, IPL meets the world. Have you ever wondered what it would look like if your favorite IPL team had a football twin? Well, buckle up because in today's video we are comparing the 10 IPL teams that are currently playing in the Indian Premier League, and we're drawing the ultimate parallels with some of the most iconic football clubs around the world. From powerhouse dynasties to fierce rivalries, from underdog stories to some of the most loyal fan bases. So whether you're a diehard cricket fan or a football freak, this video is for you. Well, with that being said, grab your jerseys, subscribe to the channel, and let's dive into this ultimate IPL football crossover. Alright, so let's start off this video with a team जिनको frustration शब्द से बहुत ही ज्यादा लगाव हो चुका है. एक ऐसी टीम जिनकी fan base बहुत ही ज्यादा loyal है and they have been through it all. And that team is Delhi Capitals. Now, if Delhi Capitals were a football club, I think there is only one proper match for them. And that right there, ladies and gentlemen, is of course, in my opinion, Arsenal FC. Just like Arsenal, Delhi Capitals have also gone from a very inconsistent and chaotic phase to a team which is brimming with young talent and is full of energy right now. Delhi Capitals एक ऐसी टीम है जिन्होंने अपने आप को rebuild किया with the likes of KL Rahul, Akshar Patel and Kuldeep Yadav, which you could compare with the IPL's version of Declan Rice, Bukayo Saka and Martin Odegaard. Surely Ricky Ponting isn't as annoying as Mikel Arteta, but both of their visions are quite similar. Both of them have the vision of improving their side in the long run, especially while relying on the younger players, relying on the youth, while of course taking help from some of the veterans here and there. So whether it's North London or the capital of India, I think comparing Delhi Capitals with Arsenal is the right call here. And of course, the best way to describe both of these teams is of course that they are a classic case of so close yet so far. Next up on the list, we have Rajasthan Royals, the underdog of the IPL, a team who won the competition in the very first season of the IPL. Does that sound familiar to you? Well, I think it might when you compare this side to someone like Ajax FC. Rajasthan Royals एक ऐसी टीम है जो financially इतनी ज़्यादा strong नहीं है. ये एक ऐसी टीम है जिनका playing style भी बहुत ज़्यादा flashy नहीं है, but they are known for creating talent. This is a team full of youth and full of passion, similar to Ajax. अभी currently राजस्थान रॉयल्स के स्क्वाड में बहुत सारे youngsters मौजूद हैं, जैसे कि यशस्वी जायसवाल, रियान पराग and of course a 14-year-old Vaibhav Suryavanshi. Similarly, when you compare them to the Ajax squad, Ajax currently has the likes of Brian Brobby, Kenneth Taylor and Jorel Hato and so many other youngsters that have come through the Ajax academy over the years. Matthijs de Ligt, Frankie de Jong and Donny van de Beek, just to name a few. Both of these teams are known for scouting and making talent rather than just buying players, rather than just picking those star names, those big names and just putting them in the squad. Rather, you will see Rajasthan Royals और Ajax का जो पैटर्न है कि ये लोग ऐसे यूथ पे फोकस करते हैं, यंगस्टर्स को ज्यादा मौका देते हैं. और इस साल हमें वो चीज फिर से देखने को मिला when we saw Vaibhav Suryavanshi score a century, a 14-year-old scoring a century and in the IPL. How crazy was that? In 2022, Rajasthan Royals played the final, whereas in 2019, Ajax reached the UEFA Champions League semi-final before getting knocked out to Spurs, of course. So I think in this case, we can compare Rajasthan Royals to Ajax. Now let's talk about being the most hated team on the block. Backed by strong financial groups, hated by the majority of the league and is of course not known for their tradition and history. जी हाँ दोस्तों, मैं बात कर रहा हूँ लखनऊ सुपर जायंट्स की, जो मेरे ख्याल से कार्बन कॉपी बन चुकी है बुंडेसलीगा क्लब आरबी लाइप्जिग की. श्योरली आरबी लाइप्जिग को यूरोप में इतना ज्यादा हेट नहीं मिलता होगा, बट आई थिंक ये क्वेश्चन अगर आप किसी टिपिकल जर्मन फुटबॉल फैन से पूछोगे तो द आंसर टू दिस क्वेश्चन इज गोइंग टू बी वेरी मच डिफरेंट. देयर पर्सपेक्टिव ऑफ आरबी लाइप्जिग is going to be a lot different compared to the perspective of a typical European football fan. RB Leipzig को German football में मेरे ख्याल से कोई भी fans except the RB Leipzig fans मतलब tolerate कर पाती होगी. Now, if you want to compare Sanjeev Goenka to a football owner, I think it would be best to compare him to the Nottingham Forest owner, given what he has been doing recently on the pitch in the Premier League, of course. But other than that, I think LSG pretty much fits the narrative of being the RB Leipzig of the IPL. But of course, there is this one small problem that we do have, that RB Leipzig really do not have a player as annoying as Digvish Rathi. The recipe for destruction. Teams in European football often fear facing FC Bayern Munich. Just ask FC Barcelona and Arsenal. Similarly, on their day, Sunrisers Hyderabad are completely and absolutely ruthless on a cricket field, as they have repeatedly shown with their batting performances over the last 2 years. IPL की हिस्ट्री में Sunrisers Hyderabad का नाम हाईएस्ट टीम टोटल के लिस्ट में आज तक 4 बार आ चुका है. A total of 287, 286 and a very recent 278 and 277 are some of the scores that SRH has registered in a 20 over format game. 20 overs में. These are just ridiculous numbers, by the way. Absolutely ridiculous. Similarly, पिछले कुछ सालों में हमने बायर्न म्यूनिख को भी देखा है यूरोप के सबसे बेहतरीन टीमों को ऐसे पेलते हुए. Like you can just go ahead and ask Barcelona about that infamous 8-2 defeat, and of course we also saw Arsenal lose 10-2 on aggregate a few years back. I mean, those were some of the most destructive performances I ever witnessed through my very own eyes. ट्रॉफीज की बात करें तो भले ही सनराइजर्स हैदराबाद के पास कोई आईपीएल ट्रॉफी ना हो, बट डेक्कन चार्जर्स के पास जरूर एक आईपीएल ट्रॉफी है. सो यू कैन नॉट रियली डिनाई द सिटी ऑफ हैदराबाद देयर राइटफुल पीस ऑफ सिल्वरवेयर which they won during the second season of IPL, I believe. Anyway, on the other hand, you have Bayern Munich, who have 6 Champions League trophies to their name, and of course multiple Bundesliga, and of course multiple records all around Europe as well. So I think comparing Sunrisers Hyderabad and Bayern Munich's style of destruction, their style of play is pretty much accurate in this scenario. इस लिस्ट में अगला नाम आता है पंजाब किंग्स का, and honestly I struggled a bit with this क्योंकि मुझे सही में समझ नहीं आ रहा था कि पंजाब किंग्स को कौन से टीम के साथ कंपेयर किया जाए. Some of the teams that I came up with was West Ham United, AS Roma and even Real Betis. But I think the one team that perfectly suits Punjab Kings' case in this scenario is Newcastle United. Now, I'm not really sure if Newcastle United's Saudi owners are as beautiful as Preity Zinta is, but I think एक चीज पे हम लोग agree कर सकते हैं कि Newcastle और Punjab FC की जो fan bases है वो बहुत ही ज्यादा loyal और passionate है. Despite the fact that Punjab Kings के पास कोई IPL की ट्रॉफी नहीं है, their fan base has been strong and has been vocal and has been supporting them for these last many years. And despite not having won an IPL trophy, उनके fans ने ये उम्मीद बिल्कुल नहीं छोड़ी और results आपके सामने visible है. Punjab Kings have finished top of the IPL table this season itself, which means that they now have a direct chance to qualify for the final itself and probably go on to win the trophy. Meanwhile, Newcastle United ने भी इस साल इसी season में history create किया when they won their first trophy after 71 years. Carabao Cup के फाइनल में they defeated Liverpool FC with a scoreline of 2-1. Similarly, पंजाब किंग्स के पास भी इतने बड़े नाम्स तो मौजूद नहीं है at the moment, maybe except the likes of Shreya Shahar, who has been leading the team brilliantly. But that is what team effort does. That is what teamwork gets you, doesn't it? It gets you to the top of the IPL table. It gets you your first trophy in 71 years. Victory over a team like Liverpool in a final. So yeah, I think comparing Punjab FC to Newcastle United is pretty accurate in this scenario, because of course Newcastle, like I said, once again creating history this season, and Punjab Kings could very well create history as well. कोलकाता नाइट राइडर्स, एक ऐसी टीम जो चैंपियन होने के ठीक अगले ही सीजन somehow 8th फिनिश कर जाती है लीग टेबल पर. एक ऐसी टीम जिनके पास मल्टीपल आईपीएल ट्रॉफीज है, एक ऐसी टीम जिनके पास एक बहुत ही स्ट्रॉन्ग फैन बेस है, एक ऐसा सिटी है जो फुटबॉल और क्रिकेट दोनों को लेकर पैशनेट है और एक सुपरस्टार ओनर भी है. If you look at it this way, I think KKR is pretty much like the Inter Milan of IPL. Historically, both of these teams are very successful. They went through a resurgence period and of course they became very successful in their respective leagues. अब इंटर मिलान ने recent years में एक चैंपियंस लीग फाइनल तो वो ऑलरेडी हार चुके हैं 2023 में when they lost to Man City 1-0. अब देखने वाली ये बात है कि इंटर मिलान इस साल चैंपियंस लीग फाइनल में क्या कर सकते हैं when they play PSG in a couple of days time. And of course, sadly for KKR, despite being the champions last season, इतना अच्छा खेलने के बाद इस साल I don't know what happened to them. They finished 8th in the IPL table, and maybe they will just bounce back next season. But I think comparing KKR to a historical club like Inter Milan is once again accurate. Gujarat Titans, the new rich kids on the block. You know who else is a rich kid on the block? मैनचेस्टर सिटी एक ऐसी टीम है जो कतारी इन्वेस्टमेंट के बाद इंग्लिश फुटबॉल को कंप्लीटली रेवोल्यूशनाइज कर चुकी है अंडर पेप गार्डियोला. In 2023, this team finally won the big one when they lifted the UEFA Champions League, beating Inter Milan, like I said, 1-0 के स्कोर से उन्होंने इंटर मिलान को फाइनल में हराया था. And of course, throughout these last few years, they have won multiple Premier Leagues under Pep Guardiola, and even the managers before Pep Guardiola helped City win the Premier League as well. अब बात करते हैं गुजरात टाइटंस की. 2022 साल में गुजरात टाइटंस की एंट्री हुई आईपीएल में और guess what? 2022 साल में इटसेल्फ गुजरात टाइटंस जीत जाती है आईपीएल ट्रॉफी। फाइनल में जाके ये लोग हराते हैं राजस्थान रॉयल्स को एंड इन देयर फर्स्ट ईयर इटसेल्फ गुजरात टाइटंस बिकम द चैंपियन ऑफ द इंडियन प्रीमियर लीग। पहले सीजन में इस टीम में हार्दिक पांड्या, शुभमन गिल, मैथ्यू वेड, डेविड मिलर, अल्जारी जोसेफ, लॉकी फर्ग्यूसन जैसे बिग नेम्स ने गुजरात टाइटंस को रिप्रेजेंट किया था। Now, similarly, Manchester City have also always had the reputation of having big names, superstars in their squad. Manchester City के present day squad में you have the likes of Erling Haaland, Phil Foden, Omar Marmoush and so many other big names. Sadly also you can count the departing Kevin De Bruyne जो obviously इस सीजन के बाद सिटी को छोड़ के जाने वाले किसी एक नई टीम में, किसी एक नए क्लब में। बट ओवर द इयर्स मैनचेस्टर सिटी हैव ऑलवेज हैड दीज बिग नेम्स, दीज सुपरस्टार्स इंक्लूडिंग द लाइक्स ऑफ याया टूरे, सर्जियो अग्वेरो, विंसेंट कंपनी एंड सो मेनी अदर्स हु हैव रिप्रेजेंटेड दिस टीम। तो मेरे ख्याल से आईपीएल टर्म्स में गुजरात टाइटंस को हम लिटरल रेप्लिका, लिटरल कार्बन कॉपी कह सकते हैं ऑफ मैनचेस्टर सिटी, द रिच किड्स इन द ब्लॉक। आईपीएल में जब भी लीडरशिप की बात की जाए तो मेरे ख्याल से एक ही प्लेयर का नाम सबके ख्याल में आता है एंड दैट मैन इज महेंद्र सिंह धोनी। Even in his 40s, he is still leading CSK, he is still leading the Chennai Super Kings, the multiple time IPL champions. On paper, I know that Mahendra Singh Dhoni चेन्नई के कैप्टन नहीं है, but of course, जब आपके स्क्वाड में धोनी के कैलिबर का कोई प्लेयर हो, who else do you think is the leader? No one. It is Dhoni. धोनी इज द लीडर, ही कॉल्स द शॉट्स। और आई थिंक यही एक रीजन है जिसके कारण मैं सीएसके को मैनचेस्टर यूनाइटेड के साथ कंपेयर करने वाला हूँ। आई थिंक महेंद्र सिंह धोनी इज लाइक द सर एलेक्स फर्गसन ऑफ इंडियन क्रिकेट। I know that might be a controversial call. I know that might be a controversial statement, but if you sort of disagree with that, you can let me know in the comments. अब CSK की बात करते हैं। CSK एक ऐसी टीम है जो एक particular era को dominate करके आई है। They have developed a fan base all across the country. It doesn't matter if it's an away game for CSK. Away game हो तो भाई CSK के फैन स्टेडियम में भर भर के आते हैं। The Yellow Army completely takes over the stadiums all around the country. Similarly, Manchester United की जो fan base है that is spread all across the world. Now, of course, I know कि मैनचेस्टर यूनाइटेड का जो भी करंट फेज चल रहा है बहुत ही एक बकवास, एक घटिया सा डाउनफॉल सा एक फेज चल रहा है उनका, बट दैट डजंट रियली चेंज द फैक्ट दैट मैनचेस्टर यूनाइटेड आर ग्लोबली वेरी 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 पॉपुलर। अब थोड़ी बहुत महेंद्र सिंह धोनी की बात की जाए तो आई थिंक ही इज द आर्किटेक्ट ऑफ CSK's legacy. I think he is the architect of CSK's success, similar to Sir Alex Ferguson, who has helped Manchester United win so many Premier League titles. He has helped them win the UEFA Champions League in the past. He has sort of, developed that legacy. He has shaped that legacy that Manchester United is right now. इस साल CSK की performance बहुत ही ज़्यादा disappointing थी. They finished bottom of the IPL table, whereas on the other hand you have Manchester United who finished 15th in the Premier League and they lost a Europa League final to टॉटनहम हॉटस्पर as well. 1-0 के स्कोर से वो यूरोपा लीग का फाइनल भी हार चुकी है. So no silverware for either of these teams this season. पता नहीं next season क्या होने वाला है. But yeah, for now I think comparing CSK to Manchester United is the right call. Finally, we come to the team, the one that a lot of people have been waiting for. Finally, we come to the team that a lot of people have eagerly been waiting for. Royal Challengers Bangalore. And I think you know very well where this is going at this point. Royal Challengers Bangalore, in my opinion, are the literal Tottenham Hotspur of the IPL. मेरे ख्याल से कोई और better comparison होता ही नहीं है in the world of cricket or football. Still considered among the big boys of the IPL alongside CSK, KKR and Mumbai Indians, RCB are yet to win an IPL trophy. Similarly, Tottenham Hotspur के पास भी कोई Premier League की ट्रॉफी नहीं है. Team which has got relegated this year, Leicester City, they have won Premier League trophy and Tottenham Hotspur doesn't have a Premier League trophy, and somehow they are still in the big six of the Premier League. I don't know how. Constant mockery, constant memes के बावजूद इन दोनों टीम्स की फैन बेस बहुत ही ज्यादा स्ट्रॉन्ग और बहुत ही ज्यादा लॉयल है. That one thing right there. These two teams have a very very loyal fan base, especially RCB. RCB की fan base बहुत ही ज़्यादा loyal है bro. Trust me, like I have seen videos of those fans. They have been going crazy for over these last how many years has IPL been going on for? I don't know, but despite the fact that RCB के पास कोई IPL trophy नहीं है, their fan base is very very loyal. So on one hand you have RCB who are still waiting for that one big trophy, that one big IPL trophy, that elusive trophy. On the other hand you have Tottenham Hotspur who are still waiting. That's right, my friends. Till last week, I would have said that Tottenham Hotspur are still waiting for that one elusive trophy. But कुछ ही दिनों पहले Tottenham Hotspur ने Manchester United के expense में Europa League की ट्रॉफी उठा ली. And finally, they have a big trophy in their name. They have a European trophy in their name. Like, what is going on this season in football? टॉटनहम हॉटस्पर के पास एक यूरोपियन ट्रॉफी है एंड आरसीबी के पास अभी तक कुछ भी नहीं है, बट दैट माइट चेंज वेरी सून बिकॉज आरसीबी हैव फिनिश्ड सेकंड इन द आईपीएल टेबल दिस सीजन। और जितेश शर्मा का वो जो रीसेंट परफॉर्मेंस था उसके बाद आईपीएल टेबल में आरसीबी अपनी जगह बना लेती है सेकंड पोजीशन में, एंड आई थिंक they could be considered as one of the favorites to win the IPL. I know I'm sound a bit skeptical saying the statement because at the end of the day, it is still RCB. They are still known for bottling, just like Tottenham were known for bottling. I don't know what's going to happen to Tottenham next season. मुझे नहीं पता Tottenham अगले सीजन क्या करने वाली है, but एक चीज मैं गारंटी से कह सकता हूँ कि Tottenham हॉटस्पर भाई 17th फिनिश करके यूरोपा लीग जीतना, यूरोपियन ट्रॉफी लाना वो सेम सीजन पे, that is मिराकुलस भाई, वो कुछ अलग ही लेवल का, मतलब वी विल बी टॉकिंग अबाउट दिस टॉटनहम हॉटस्पर का सीजन फॉर इयर्स टू कम। ऑफ कोर्स टॉटनहम के विक्ट्री के साथ साथ सन हेung-min को भी एक ट्रॉफी लिफ्ट करने का मौका मिला है, एक ट्रॉफी जीतने का मौका मिला है, एंड पर्सनली आई थिंक अ लॉट ऑफ फुटबॉल फैंस अराउंड द वर्ल्ड सन हेung-min को ट्रॉफी उठाते देखकर खुश हुए होंगे। इन जनरल फुटबॉल फैंस की मैं बात कर रहा हूँ, because Son Heung-min is obviously a very wholesome footballer, a very passionate footballer. He has dedicated his life to Tottenham Hotspur. Similarly, you know who else has dedicated their career to one franchise? That's right, विराट कोहली। विराट कोहली ने आईपीएल में सिर्फ एक ही टीम के लिए खेला आज तक, and that is RCB. So hopefully शायद इस सीजन कुछ ऐसा मिराकुलस हो जाए आरसीबी के साथ और विराट कोहली को भी फाइनली अपना Son Heung-min वाला मोमेंट मिल जाए, and he finally gets to lift that IPL trophy. Who knows what's going to happen in the playoffs? Who knows what's going to happen in the playoffs? But can you imagine? क्या आप imagine कर सकते हो एक ऐसा सीजन जहाँ पे टॉटनहम हॉटस्पर और आरसीबी दोनों एक साथ ट्रॉफी जीत रही है, दोनों एक साथ ट्रॉफी जीत चुकी है। Oh my God! And of course, इस लिस्ट को हम खत्म करने वाले हैं with two of the biggest names on their respective fields, Mumbai Indians and Real Madrid. Mumbai Indians को Real Madrid के साथ कंपेयर करें तो they are literally the same in terms of trophies, check, in terms of financial backings, check, in terms of notorious reputation, check, in terms of superstars in their team, check, in terms of clutch moments, check. Mumbai Indians के पास टोटल 5 IPL ट्रॉफी है, whereas on the other hand रियल मैड्रिड के पास टोटल है 14 चैंपियंस लीग ट्रॉफीज। मुंबई की टीम में एक से बढ़कर एक सुपरस्टार्स मौजूद है आज के डेट पर। यू हैव द लाइक्स ऑफ रोहित शर्मा, सूर्य कुमार यादव, हार्दिक पांड्या, जसप्रीत बुमराह, तिलक वर्मा, ट्रेंट बोल्ट, विल जैक्सन, सो मेनी अदर्स आर इन दैट मुंबई इंडियंस स्क्वाड राइट नाउ। Whereas on the other hand, रियल मैड्रिड के स्क्वाड में you have big names such as the likes of Kylian Mbappe, Vinicius Junior, Rodrigo, Jude Bellingham, and of course अभी Trent Alexander-Arnold भी इस टीम को ज्वाइन करने वाले हैं। These two teams do not lack in terms of star power. Okay, these two teams absolutely do not lack star power. तो मेरे ख्याल से मुंबई इंडियंस और रियल मैड्रिड को कंपेयर करना एक बहुत ही वैलिड कंपैरिजन है। Now, these are two teams who are also known for clutch moments. 2019 आईपीएल के फाइनल में मुंबई इंडियंस ने सीएसके को हराया था just by 1 run to lift the trophy. 1 run to lift the trophy. And रियल मैड्रिड की क्लच मोमेंट्स की बात करें तो भाई लिस्ट तो बहुत ही ज्यादा लंबी होने वाली है, because you know रियल मैड्रिड के क्लच मोमेंट्स I can just go on and on with them. You know, obviously we have Sergio Ramos का 92nd minute वाला header against Atletico Madrid in the Champions League final. Ronaldo के इतने सारे individual moments in a Real Madrid shirt. Rodrigo versus Manchester City. And of course Karim Benzema का वो Ballon d'Or season, वो Ballon d'Or run was absolutely epic as well. So Real Madrid and Mumbai Indians, both of these teams are known for clutch moments as well. And this saal once again Mumbai Indians somehow crawled and made their way, not really crawled, they pretty much dominated at the end part of the IPL and made their way into the top 4 of the league table as well, and now they're in the playoffs, and now they might just go on to win their 6th IPL trophy. Who knows what's going to happen, because that's how this big two teams, Real Madrid and Mumbai Indians, like to play. That's how they usually do things. हमको पता है, हमने देखा है ये स्क्रिप्ट, हम पहले भी देख चुके हैं, फुटबॉल में भी देख चुके हैं, क्रिकेट में भी देख चुके हैं. So let's not talk about it. But at the end of the day, cricket and football might just be two different sports, but the emotions of these two sports are always the same. और अगर आप इस लिस्ट से agree या disagree भी करते हैं, please kindly let me know in the comments, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.